Welcome to Twiddly Tuesday. Something happened to the animals and they were displaced. Some of the animals ended up in the water when they shouldn't, like the deer. And some ended up in the forest when they shouldn't, like the fish. Thank goodness there's somebody here who can save them. Dun, 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 dun. I'm ready for any challenges too big, never too big for me. Ooh, he's almost done saving all the rest of the animals. He has 2 more left. Dear, come here, precious dear and child. I will take you to your home. Oh, but it wasn't this forest they belonged, it was another. I had to fly all the way around the world to get them there. But the fish are needing to get to their water. There they are. Fish, let me help you, fish. Ooh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Here you go, fish. Oh, thank you, thank you. And everybody is returned once again to their natural habitats, thanks to Superman. Dun, 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 dun. Until next time, Totally Tuesday!